Alright, on Friday you guys did compound interest. So we can kind of check that off our list. If you come across a compound interest question today and you have any problems, what you can always do is go back to your videos from Friday and take a look at those. So today we have a little bit longer list of things we're going to cover. We have continuous through half-life. So what I've done is I've made a video for each one. Once again, at this point, all these problems are nothing more than plug and chug. I mean, this is your basic science class type problem where we're giving you data. You pull the data from. We give you a situation. We help you identify the equation. Once you identify the equation, you identify the unknown quantities, and you plug them in and you chug. So that's really what we're looking at here. The videos will be pretty short and pretty sweet, so just kind of listen to them and watch them as needed and go from there. Alright, so here we go. Let's start off with continuous. So in a continuous growth problem, the key thing that pops up is that you're going to see the word continuous. Alright, so a credit union pays 4.5% interest rate on a certain savings account that compounds continuously. Alright, so with that said, we identify, okay, we need to find our starting principal, we need to find our rate, and we need to find our time, because our equation is P equals P naught E, and we'll look for that on the calculator, R raised to the R times T. Alright, so let's find those values. P naught is our starting value, and our starting value is $2,100. Our rate is 4.5%, which would equal 0.045. Now time is a little bit more of an issue, because if you notice here that it says time in this case here is the number of years. 30 months. So some of you are clever enough to realize, okay, well, if you have 30 months and there's 12 months in a year, oops, sorry about that. 12, yeah, that's fine. 12 months. And we divide that out. Let's see, what's our calculator tell us? We take 30 and we divide it by 12. We find out that that basically would be 2.5 years. Okay? So just kind of a little trick there sometimes that's going to happen to you. You need to pay attention and make sure you're on your toes, because remember, we're not looking for months, we're looking for years. Alright? So with that said, here we go. We plug this stuff in, we get P is equal to P naught E to the 0.045 times T. Alright, so let's pull that calculator back up and take a look how we plug this stuff in. Brand new screen, 2100. Alright, above the natural log button, right here, we have an e to the x. So you're going to hit and you get your e like that. It automatically gives you your exponent times your 2.5 times. Bam. So we find out that our principal, our outcome of this situation would be $2,350.05 after 30 months, being compounded continuously. Alright, so this is a continuously compounding question. Give you a basic idea.